Refilling your engine oil and washer fluid is easy. Please do not top up engine oil unless a message is displayed in the instrument cluster. The top-up amount is specified in the message on the control display. Do not add too much engine oil. Please refer to the owner's handbook for more information. Only refill suitable types of engine oil with the correct oil specification and oil viscosity. Make sure to switch off drive-ready state before topping up with engine oil. To refill any of your BMW fluids, first the bonnet needs to be opened. To do so, pull the lever in the foot compartment on the driver's side of the vehicle twice. When opening the bonnet, please watch out for any protruding parts of the bonnet. The oil filler neck can be found on top of the engine. Turn the cap anti-clockwise to open. After refilling, tighten the cap. The reservoir for the washer fluid is also located in the engine compartment on the left side. Open the blue cap. Using a watering can makes it easier to refill. The recommended minimum fill level is 1 litre. After refilling, tighten the cap. When closing the bonnet, make sure the bonnet engages on both sides. When the stationary vehicle is at operating temperature, you can carry out a detailed measurement of the engine oil level. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.